So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and in this video we'll talk about the capstone project deadline. So as we all are aware that the 5 days AI intensive course was live by Google and Kaggle, and now we are approaching towards the deadline. So we'll cover all the things what you need to do in case you haven't participated yet, what you can do and how we'll get the swags. Let's cover all the queries. So before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and do like the video. So here we are in the 5 days AI intensive course of Google. So what was there that here at last we have got one capstone project. You can see, so if you open the capstone project, here you can see the capstone project was live around 15th of November, I think so. Wait a second. It was live around 15th of November only. Okay. So here we had to build something based on whatever we have learned from day 1 to day 5. Okay. You can see there are multiple things like we are introducing to the agents and working with MCP, Model Context Protocol. Similarly, day 3 context engineering, like this we completed up to day 5. So whatever we have learned on from day 1 to day 5, we have to use the practical skills. You can call it like we are giving an exam just by practicing the concepts earlier. Whatever we have learned, we have to give an exam. That kind of analogy I'm using. So in capstone project, you have to apply all these things. Here they have limited the things of usage, like if you come over here to the capstone project, you can see they have asked to include only at least 3 key features. So at least 3 key features should be applied in this capstone project. But if you want to apply even 5 or even more, depending on your skill, then you are free to do. So there is no big issue. But here, if you are completely new and unaware how we have to begin the project, for them also I have made a tutorial guide. So here, if you come to the channel, this is the main channel. You have to come to the playlist section, scroll down. Here you can see 5 days AI agent intensive course. So you have to click on this playlist, and wait a second. So here it's in Hindi. Okay. If you want to just complete the challenge in Hindi and understand each and everything, you can just watch this video. Here I have explained all the things in Hindi. Okay, that might be a little bit detailed, but I have explained what each functions do, what is the helper functions, what are the things you need to understand how to set up the Google Cloud. Second thing, this is the main playlist. Here it's completely in English, fluent English. So here you can see all this day 1, day 2 in separate form also, or in single one shot also. I have covered everything. Okay, so you can just watch it and just understand the process. Now here the important thing was that the deadline is approaching for the challenge. If you come over here, you can clearly see that the last date for the submission is 1st of December, and you can see that today is 25, so you have very limited time. So if you have not made the submission, you can hurry up and do the submission. For submission also I have made a detailed video, I think so. So if I see over here the playlist, you can see that I have shared the top projects what you can make also, like how to complete the project. I have shared the beginner friendly guide, and this is the basic guide, like how you have to write the write-ups. All things are covered. So you have to just submit the capstone project. All things are covered in these videos. You can watch any one of them and just submit it before 1st of December. Okay, so that you are eligible for the swags and certificate. You can see you are getting Kaggle swags also. So this was the quick thing I wanted to share. If you have any query, you can let me in the comment section. Do like the video and do subscribe the channel, guys. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.